I hope saan to tell you guys. You know me for my YouTube channel. You know me for my YouTube channel, not something special, because I have nothing special. And I'm planning out of video ideas. So instead I make these videos where like, so guys, I have to tell you something. That's what I'm gonna make now. But yeah, here's my first video on that. So I just saw like this music artist on this platform, YouTube, of social media. And he's like making Spanky songs, like Smile Glitter songs, Inside Out songs. Yeah, if you know him. Like he's like a music artist and his name starts with a B. But I gotta say, it's really bad and I just lost 558 gigabytes of